Hello foodies! Today I'll show you how to make a very moreish prawn recipe that makes for an amazing starter or a snack. The recipe is called Prawn Kiev since the inspiration for this recipe comes from the iconic Chicken Kiev. For this recipe, I'll be using 400 grams of headless tiger prawns which I have deveined as shown here. I'll also need some garlic butter, an egg, some breadcrumbs. Let's season the prawns with salt and black pepper. Rub them well into the prawns. Then take a bit of garlic butter and push it in the slit in the middle of the prawns as I am showing you here, and then squeeze it shut as much as you can. That's all the prawns stuffed with garlic butter. Now sprinkle some plain flour on the prawns on both sides and then dip them in the beaten egg and coat them well with the breadcrumbs on all sides. Repeat the process to double crumb the prawns as I am showing you here. Then set them aside. Now you need to chill the breaded prawns in the fridge for at least 1 hour before frying them. It's time to fry the chilled prawns, so heat some oil in a frying pot to deep fry the prawn Kievs. Dip the strainer in the hot oil so that the prawn Kievs don't stick. Put some of the breaded prawns in the mesh basket and dip them in the hot oil. Lower the flame to medium and fry until golden brown. It will take about 2 minutes. Then take them out on some kitchen towel. Fry the prawn Kievs in batches like I am doing here. Turn the breaded prawns if needed with some tongs and then take them out. There you go, our prawn Kievs are ready to be served with some mayonnaise. Prawn Kievs do require a bit of effort but disappear in no time at all since they are so very delicious. If you are a seafood lover, you will love this recipe. Even people who don't like fish love this recipe. If you like this recipe, do like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Enjoy!